In this video, I will show you how to get free credits in Lovable AI fast. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Then search for Lovable AI and click on the official website from the results to make sure you are on the correct platform. Once you are on the site, look for the Share Your Invite link option. Click on it and copy your unique referral link. This link is what you will use to invite other users. Now, share this link with others and ask them to sign up using it. When someone signs up through your invite link, they will receive an extra 10 credits after registration. At the same time, you will start earning rewards based on their activity. You will get 100 credits when the person you invited subscribes to a pro plan of 100 credits per month or higher. If someone is signed up but has not upgraded yet, it will show as 1 signed up, 0 converted, meaning no pro conversion has happened yet. So that's basically how you can get credits in Lovable AI using referrals. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.